Here are 20 lesser-known facts about time that might change your perception. Time is not linear. Some theories suggest that time may be more complex than a simple linear progression and could exist as a multidimensional construct. The present is an illusion. Due to the time it takes for our senses and brains to process information, what we perceive as the present is actually a fraction of a second behind the actual moment. Time is influenced by gravity. According to Einstein's theory of general relativity, the closer you are to a massive object, the slower time moves relative to an observer further away from it. Time crystals exist. Recently discovered states of matter called time crystals oscillate between different states without requiring an input of energy, challenging views of time and thermodynamics. Time can be manipulated. Scientists have conducted experiments that demonstrate time dilation, where subatomic particles experience different rates of time depending on gravitational forces. The future can affect the past. Some quantum experiments suggest that the actions taken in the present can retroactively influence the state of particles in the past. Time can flow backward, while time typically moves forward. Certain mathematical models in physics, such as the Wheeler-DeWitt equation, suggest that time could flow in either direction. The concept of now varies across the universe. Due to the vast distances between celestial objects, events that we perceive as simultaneous may be experienced at different locations in the universe. The speed of light defines a cosmic speed limit. According to the theory of relativity, nothing with mass can travel faster than the speed of light. As an object approaches this speed, time dilation occurs, and time appears to slow down for the moving object. Time perception differs among species. Animals perceive time differently from humans. Some species, such as flies, have much faster perception, while others, like certain tortoises, experience time at a slower rate. Time may not exist at the quantum level. In quantum mechanics, time is not considered a fundamental component of the theory, leading some physicists to question whether time truly exists at the smallest scales of reality. Presentism versus eternalism. Philosophical debates exist regarding the nature of time. Presentism argues that only the present moment is real, while eternalism suggests that past, present, and future all exist simultaneously. The brain constructs our perception of time. Neuroscientists believe that the brain combines sensory input, memory, and cognitive processes to create our subjective experience of time. Time seems to speed up as we age due to the proportional theory. This theory suggests that each passing year becomes a smaller fraction of our total life experience, making it feel like time passes more quickly as we accumulate more memories. The time of arrival problem. In quantum physics, the time at which a particle arrives at a particular location becomes uncertain and probabilistic, challenging the notion of precise causality. Time can be influenced by emotions. Studies have shown that our emotional state can affect our perception of time, with positive experiences making time feel shorter and negative experiences elongating our sense of time. Time is connected to entropy. The concept of entropy, which relates to the amount of disorder or randomness in a system, is closely tied to the arrow of time and the irreversibility of certain processes. Time travel to the future is theoretically possible. According to the theory of special relativity, time dilation can occur as an object approaches the speed of light. This allows for the possibility of traveling into the future relative to a stationary observer. The twin paradox. In the thought experiment, one twin travels into space at high speeds while the other remains on Earth. When the traveling twin returns, they will have aged less due to time dilation, highlighting the relativity of time. Time is a personal construct. While we use clocks and calendars to measure and organize time collectively, each individual's perception and experience of time can differ, leading to subjective interpretations of its passage.